So, the last bus driver I had was okay. Just talkative and nice and stuff. Showed up really early. This other bus driver I have is super nice and cool. Shut the F up, you goddamn wait. So, super cool. Disappeared for a couple weeks. Still remembered me. That is awesome. Let's see, I'm walking with a limp. I got my music up out loud because I'm really annoyed. I gotta learn how to walk. That's really crippled me. So, now I got all these cars and vehicles. Oh, yeah. Apparently, there was an accident or something over this way. Because I woke up about 6. Hold on. So I woke up about 6 o'clock and I heard ambulance and fire trucks and everything like that. And so I'm like, alright, that's cool, whatever. And then like 10-20 minutes later, heard them again. I'm like, alright. Ooh, that hurt. The other thing is, my bus stop, I get over there by Central and 52nd, and there's a spot for you to sit down at, but it's really not for you to sit down at because they keep it wet. This bench is always wet. No matter if it rains or not, this bench is wet. So, oh, annoying. So, yeah. Called my grandma. That was awesome. Talked to my buddy for over 2 hours. That's because he doesn't have a headset actually working. Playing GTA. So yeah. But I'm just bored. Need a funner job. So yeah, but not very much to say on my end. I did get those 2 knives that are on Facebook. Got the gun. Loaded it wrong at first, so I have to figure out how to fix that. I can't touch like guns, machines, or anything like that because I break it less than 5 minutes. I got a cool little pocket knife, so I'm thrilled. Cost me like $70-$80 for it all, including shipping and handling. So I'm happy. Gotta sneeze again. See, I know when I have to sneeze. I could time if I really wanted to, but I won't. Lights are easy though. So yeah. So what's up with you guys? Never ask you guys that. Figure I do. So you can leave me a comment and I'll talk to you. But if not, it's fine. So, let's see here. I'm at level 74 going to 75 on GTA 5. I got 25 more levels to go until I get to level 100. I beat the living shit out of my friend a few times. He's level 8 and he plays it like he's level 50. So yeah, not bad. He had his PS3 set on to like where he didn't move. So I went over there and killed him about 5 to 10 times or more, just for a hell of it. It was fun until he got on there and he's like, "Dude, stop killing me." I'm like, "Why? You're not playing." So, and he watches my videos. Good friend of mine. So, I trust him. To some degree. But I don't know, I'm just bored. My bus is coming in 8 minutes. So that means I'm at 7 minutes, so that means I'll record for 15 minutes. Even though I don't know the time, but I'm looking at it. So technically I do. Weather looks crappy. But hell, low rain never killed anyone, unless if it was acid. But still, it didn't hurt anyone, unless if they drank it. So we got a Spirit Halloween store opening up by US Bank. Used to be my old Blockbuster. It was my favorite place to be. Actually, one of my favorite places. So, I used to show up there. Well, I talked about this before, so I'm not going to say. You have to watch one of my early specials. No, I don't do sound effects. Well, I do. My own. I don't put cards up. They say, Part 1. So, not like that. I'm straightforward. Don't care if you like it or not. But I did notice that my friends sort of dropped just a little bit. So I was at like 196 or 8, and now I'm down to like 193. So I dropped like 3 to 6 friends. Oh well. The only reason I do videos, my main reason, isn't for the fame really. It's just because I have to go online and I look for my friends' postings and all I get is videos. One after the next. And I'm just like, really? Time to fight back. Oh, I do have to say this though, with the city bus, I was actually really pissed off about a couple months ago and walked all the way up to where I'm sitting. So I was thinking about boycotting them for a week and share it to like 4,000 people, and then have them share it with their buddies. So that would have been awesome. Like boycotting the gas prices, but what if you boycott the city bus for a whole week? They would lose so much cash. They would get hit hard. That's the only way to change someone's ways. Like if you boycott something for a day, sure, they lose like thousands to millions of dollars. But if you do it for a whole week, you are pretty much screwing them over. Oh shit. So, if all you hear is my music, then rock on. Nah, just kidding, not rock on. Stay wicked. My bus is coming in 3 minutes. This clock is A, fast, or B, too fast. So, my camera view is really bad, but I don't care. I want a waterproof phone because I A, drop it in water, B, wintertime I drop it, or C, some idiot loser, not all of them, but some of them, could push me in the pool with my phone on. I didn't even think about that one. So, I'm pretty much connected to water. Anywhere I go, anywhere I am, there's water. And my luck, not even 5 minutes I can break something. I broke so many things, so many different ways. So, my dad has an air compressor. I grabbed the cord to roll it back in. And somehow it rolled in wrong, that my dad never knew it could go that way. And I'm like, what? I'm just trying to put it back. I got a new gun. Put BBs in the wrong way. Gotta fix that. My old Tetris game is broken. Both my controllers are broken. So I have to buy one or get a new one. Can't hold a charge. Pausing. The bus should be here any minute. And it looks like it's here, just about. So, I said 15 minutes. I'm going to drag it out for 15 minutes, so bear with me. I hope Brian's not on the bus. He's going to be like, oh, hey, dude, Shouldn't use his name, sorry. Alright. Well, here's my bus. Peace.